guys, welcome to this quick video we've got this week. It's our giveaway winner video. So we're gonna be announcing the winner of our 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys so much for continuing to support the channel and my crochet shenanigans. I always love having you guys come along and joining me on all of my projects. So the lucky winner is going to receive the actual Ruana shawl, the project we did for November's shawl project in our Shawl We Crochet series from last year. By the way, have you started on our crochet series for 2023? It's all about pillows. So actually coming up next week is going to be our February installment. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't seen our January pillow, I'll make sure to leave a link for that in the description box down below. But that's not what you're here for. You're here to find out if you are the lucky winner of this Ruana shawl. So let's just get to it. I'm gonna sift through the comments and pick a random winner. So we're gonna turn this around and see who the lucky winner is. Okay, pressing start. And here it is. The winner of our Ruana shawl is Matilda. Thank you so much, Matilda, for entering our contest. Now here's what you have to do to claim your prize. So I need you to send me an email at info@crochetcrafty.com, and the title should be giveaway winner. And in that email, send me your mailing address and I will be shipping you the Ruana shawl directly to you. So again, congratulations to Matilda for winning our Ruana shawl and our very first giveaway for reaching 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all, as always, for coming and hanging out with me every week. Don't forget, I upload a brand new video every Wednesday morning. So this coming Wednesday will be our February pillow in our Pillow Talk crochet series for 2023. Congratulations again, and I will see you all in next week's session. Bye-bye.